It's not even 11 a.m. in the morning, and I've already generated $140 in about 15 minutes of work here. As you can see here on the screen, I generated $80 at 10:22, and then another $80 at 10:37 a.m. for a total of $140, and it's not even noon yet. And guys, I did this by simply sending emails. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I do want to welcome you here on this channel. On this John McNeil channel, we talk all about affiliate marketing and making money online. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join the family. If you get some value from this video, make sure you hit the like button and leave us a comment on how we can actually help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So as you can see, guys, I've generated $140 in about 15 minutes worth of work. And again, we do this with email marketing primarily. And in this video today, I want to break down three simple things that you need to do if you want to make money with sending emails by doing email marketing, right? So that's what we call it, and that's what we do here primarily here on this channel. This is what we teach you. So number one, let's get started. The first thing that you need if you want to actually make money doing email marketing is you have to have a landing page and a giveaway offer. So the landing page is basically like a one-page website or a two-page website, and all you're doing on that website is basically bribing or an ethical bribe to get somebody to enter in their name and their email address because you're trying to give them some sort of value. So say I'm a lead, I land on your squeeze page, and on your squeeze page it says that you're going to teach me how to get free traffic by using my Facebook. So it says, hey, learn how to get free traffic from Facebook. I'm interested in that. I have a Facebook page. I want to learn how to get traffic using my Facebook account. So I opt in with my name and my email address. So you're bribing me or giving me some value, I should say, to go ahead and put my information onto your squeeze page. Once I put my information into your squeeze page, you then have to give me what you promised me. So you promised me that I was going to get some sort of training, some sort of information about how to get traffic from Facebook. And so you have to give me that information. So you can do that in the form of an ebook. You can do that in the form of videos. That's probably one of my preferred methods, is actually giving video training, because people like to watch videos. A lot of people don't really like to read long diatribes and PDFs anymore. So if you can do like video training, you can give them that information. So that's the very first thing that you have to do. You have to capture the lead, you got to capture the information, and then you have to give them what they actually opted in for, that value, that information, trying to get them to whatever their desired result is. That's the first thing. The second thing you need to do is you need to have what we call a autoresponder. An autoresponder is basically just a software that is going to collect that lead, that person that just opted into your squeeze page, and it has the ability to send out automated emails on a day-to-day basis. You can also broadcast emails whenever you want, but that gives you the ability to continue to market to that person. So for instance, if you have that free information about the Facebook marketing efforts on how to get traffic with your Facebook, you gave them some free information, but you don't give them everything, right? You give them like a piece. But then you might have a product on a total course on Facebook marketing traffic. It could be paid and free, right? And so in your follow-up messages, you can say, hey, I've given you some great information about this Facebook and how you can get free traffic from Facebook, but I have a whole course here that teaches you everything about Facebook marketing, how to get free traffic, how to get paid traffic, and everything in between. And this course will cost you X, Y, Z. In those follow-up messages, you can be giving like some different benefits and some other value to go ahead and entice that person to go ahead and purchase that Facebook marketing course. So this is what we call email marketing at its finest, right? So you can set these emails up in an automated sequence, so they just automatically go out once the people opt in. And then you can also, like I said, broadcast, just type up emails on the fly and send those out to individuals on your actual list. Now, this email marketing is very powerful, especially when you're amassing a lot of people on your list, because the more people you eventually get on your list, the more money that you're going to make. And so just as you're selling that Facebook course, it doesn't just stop there, because you can say, okay, you sent out maybe 10 emails about this Facebook course. Some people bought, some people didn't. Well, then you can say, hey, if you're still interested in getting traffic, I also have a YouTube course. So you can start another follow-up sequence talking about a YouTube course or a TikTok course or a pay-per-click course on how to use pay-per-click with Google. There's so many things that you can do once you have that list. So number one, we have the squeeze page, the giveaway. Number two, we have the autoresponder, right? So that's something that you guys have to have. And then the last thing that you have to have is you have to obviously get the traffic. You have to get the traffic. And there's two different ways that you can get traffic. There's paid traffic and then there's free traffic. I personally think that everyone should do a little of both. I think you should have one paid traffic strategy that you deploy to get you fast leads on a consistent basis, but then you also need a free traffic strategy that you can be doing in the background that can give you that organic free traffic. Like you can be building up a blog, you can be building up a YouTube channel, you can be building up your TikTok, some other social media site that you can be gathering and amassing free leads, because free leads convert very well. You know, like if you're making videos on YouTube and you're giving a lot of value on YouTube, people are opting into your page. They want to get more information, and because they see you on camera, you get that know, like, and trust factor. And then obviously a lot of those free leads are going to convert even at a higher rate than even some of the paid leads sometimes, because sometimes it takes the paid leads a little bit longer to trust you, and they may have to get a little bit more emails from you and follow up to go ahead and purchase the product. Not all the time, but a lot of times they do. So basically, guys, that is all you really need. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in between, but it's the basic three things. You got to have a squeeze page and that offer to get them on your list. You got to have the autoresponder. You got to have follow-up messages. You know, obviously there's a lot that goes into email marketing and subject lines and getting people to click. That's a whole nother science. And then the third thing is you got to have traffic. And so you pick a paid traffic method. Right now in my business, I've been doing solo ads, and that's been going very well for me. And then I also use a free traffic method. I also do blogging, and I do YouTube, as you guys can see. So you put all that together, and then that can generate you hundreds of dollars, guys, a day with your affiliate marketing business. So I hope this video made sense to you guys, and I hope that it encourages you guys to go in and actually get these three things set up for yourself. And if you don't mind, like, let me know, like, how many of you guys that are watching this video right now have these three things set up? Do you have a squeeze page? Do you have a solid quality giveaway? Is your autoresponder set up? Do you have a traffic strategy that you're deploying in your business? Like, I really want to understand where you guys are at in your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you're brand spanking new and you don't have any of this stuff set up, I do have some free training that you can get in the link in the description of this video. It's a free training. It's a 30-day boot camp that'll get you started and get you on the right track to doing all of this stuff that we're talking about today. I'll also link another video in the description of this video here on a software that I talked about last week that actually gives you everything. It's like an all marketing system in one. You can get squeeze pages and thank you pages, as well as it's an autoresponder and a blog and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'll link that video in the description too, so you guys can see it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit that like button if you got some value, and I'll see you guys. Peace.